Is your UK law firm tired of the client acquisition roller coaster? One month booming, the next month a desert. It's not about luck or endless budgets. It's about a simple, repeatable system for lead generation that works for the UK legal market. Imagine your pipeline always full, letting you focus on legal excellence. So let's break down this system. First, you need to understand the unique UK legal landscape. It's competitive. Trust and credibility are huge. People ask for recommendations or research heavily. So your strategy needs to build authority, not just grab attention. And remember, different legal specializations have different client journeys. A personal injury firm looks different from a corporate law firm. Next, you must identify your ideal client profile. Who are you really trying to attract? Don't be vague. Are they small business owners in London? Families in Manchester needing wills? What are their pain points? How do they search for help? Get specific. Create client personas. Give them names, challenges, and aspirations. This saves you wasted marketing spend and brings in truly qualified leads. Build an irresistible online presence. Your website isn't just a brochure, it's a lead generation machine. It needs clear navigation, personal branding, and be super mobile responsive. Crucially, your contact info must be everywhere with clear call to action like book a free consultation. A high converting website is your foundation. Then, master local SEO. For most UK law firms, appearing in solicitor near me searches is golden. Optimize your Google business profile, fill out everything, get those positive reviews, ensure your name, address, phone numbers are consistent everywhere online. This drives targeted local leads right to you. Time for strategic content creation. Become a trusted authority. What legal questions do your clients type into Google? Answer them with blog posts, guides, FAQs. Make them clear, accessible, and SEO friendly. Every piece of content is an entry point, educating and guiding potential clients towards your services. Position yourself as the go to expert. Want immediate impact? Leverage digital advertising. Google Ads can put you right in front of the high intent searches. Target specific keywords like personal injury solicitor London. Craft compelling ad copy and ensure your landing pages are spot on. Social media ads, especially on LinkedIn for B2B or Facebook for B2C, can build brand awareness and drive traffic to your valuable content. It's about reaching the right people at the right time. But what happens after the lead? You need to nurture them. Not everyone is ready to buy instantly. An effective email marketing strategy is key. Offer valuable guides, segment your list, and send automated drip campaigns that educate and build trust. This keeps your firm top of mind. And to manage it all, a CRM system is a game changer. Track every interaction, ensure timely follow ups, and streamline onboarding. No more leads falling through the cracks. This boosts efficiency and client experience. Finally, measure everything. Track KPIs like website traffic, lead volume, conversion rates, and cost per lead. Analyze the data and iterate. What's working, what's not working, what needs adjustment. This continuous optimization makes your system more efficient and effective over time. This isn't just theory, it works. Like Hertfordshire Legal Solutions, a regional firm that boosted inquiries by 40% and improved client conversion by 15% with this exact system. So stop hoping for leads, start generating them on repeat. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.